Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja. So in today's video we have this question where we need to find out the value of this thing, under root 53 minus 10 under root 6. Okay, so whenever you see square roots, right, always try to make it in form of a square. Okay, and since we have a negative here, then that means we need to apply this, that somehow how can we make it a minus b square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so if we look here, we have 53 and we know that we need to break this number to make it something square. Okay, for that we will look at this 10 root 6. Now look at this 10 root 6. What is 10 root 6? It can be written as 2 times 5 and under root 6 is under root 2 under root 3. And for this formula 2 you need, so you leave this 2. Okay, then look at other numbers. So if I write it as 5 root 2 times root 3, can I break this now? Okay, then I will have to see this. So what is 5 root 2 whole square? 5 root 2 whole square is 50 and under root 3 whole square is what? 3. That means we can do it. Let's see how. So we have square root. This 53 I will write it as 50 plus 3. And then we have 10 under root 6. Okay. Now how will we proceed this? Under root, okay, what is 50? 50 I can write it as this. 5 under root 2 whole square, okay, plus under root 3 whole square minus 2 times 5 under root 2 times root 3, because 10 root 6 we know can be written as this, right? Okay, now you look at this. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is equal to a minus b whole square. So this is equal to a minus b whole square and inside the root. Since it is inside the root, you will just cancel out the square roots. You will get 5 under root 2 minus under root 3. And this is our answer. You can further solve it, and like we know the value of under root 2 and under root 3, this is 1.4 approximately and 1.7 this is. So you can solve these things, but sometimes you can leave the answer like this as well when you are given options. Okay, so I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch maths riddles and if you are interested in short tricks, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.